Namothunam Chanham Fasuya Mayao. 6 mothers. Mother Nature has given birth to all universal elements and has also given birth to a method that purifies all impurities. We all know it is the Praasuk method. It is nature's pristine method to purify, equate and flow with the universe. Praasuk treatment system has been enriched and nourished by 5 mothers. Their names are as follows: Anukampa, Samata, Shata, Kshama and Kritagya. On accepting the Praasuk method of treatment, the disease of the patient who worships all the mothers get cured quickly. We must plead with mothers to lead us towards purity. Anukampa, seeing the pain of any living being, feeling painful vibrations in the heart. Samata, to respect all living beings as our own self. Shata, wishing that all living beings get happiness and peace. Kshama, I must have given pain to someone in my previous birth. That's why I have got pain today. I apologize to all those whom I have wronged. Kritagya, gratitude. All living beings in the world can live only by helping each other. It is my responsibility to accept and repay everyone's debt. If a patient understands these 5 feelings, his or her disease is quickly cured. Shan Matribhyo Namostute.